Hi guys, welcome back to Dudes Tech. Today, we're exploring the top 3 best digital laser tape measure tools that combine smart features, laser precision, and everyday usability for DIYers and professionals. From accuracy to durability, we've tested them all. Let's get started. Kicking off our list at number 3 is the Ristophe JH-T2 digital laser tape measure. High measuring precision with 6 laser measure modes, featuring 6 laser measurement modes: distance, continuous, area, volume, Pythagorean method 2 points, and Pythagorean method 3 points. With accuracy up to +1/8 inch, digital tape measure meets diverse needs. It also includes memory for reviewing past data, allows switching reference points and units, and automatically powers off after 180 seconds of inactivity to save energy and enhance safety. Multi-purpose 2-in-1 laser tape measure, Ristophe laser tape measure combines a 197-foot laser measure and a 16-foot traditional measuring tape, making it suitable for both long-distance and short-distance measurement tasks. This measuring tape with laser is ideal for large areas, such as warehouses, factories, and apartments. It is also suitable for DIY measurements in the home. Class 2 laser product, output less than 1 milliwatt. Type-C charging and high-capacity battery. Equipped with a rechargeable battery, this digital tape measure with laser supports up to 5,000 measurements on a full charge. Powered via the included Type-C cable, it provides an energy-efficient and environmentally friendly solution. The charging port features a dust-resistant cap to prevent dust ingress. An LCD display enhances readability in low-light conditions. Tips: please charge before use. Convenient tape measure. Equipped with a belt clip, the laser distance meters is compact and easy to carry. Measurement tape blade features a nylon coating, offering rust-proof and wear-resistant durability. The magnetic hook design ensures secure attachment to iron surfaces. Durable design. Digital measuring tape made of ABS material, providing anti-slip and wear-resistant properties. Features a 3-button design for intuitive operation, built to be durable, withstand impacts, and offer a long service life. Package includes 197 feet/16 feet laser measuring tape X1, Type-C charging cable X1, user manual X1, package box X1. Coming in at number 2, we have the Elikliv LTM-01 digital laser tape measure. The Elikliv LTM-01 digital laser tape measure redefines precision and convenience for both DIY enthusiasts and professional craftsmen. Combining a 19-foot laser with a 16-foot auto-locking tape, this 2-in-1 tool allows users to tackle a wide range of measurements effortlessly. From broad room layouts to detailed corner checks, the LTM-01 ensures every dimension is captured accurately without the hassle of multiple tools. Its innovative design enables single-handed operation, doubling efficiency and allowing projects to be completed faster. Accuracy is a hallmark of the Elikliv LTM-01. With an extreme ±1/16 inch precision and automatic area and volume calculations, it makes estimating materials like flooring or paint straightforward, reducing waste and eliminating costly errors. For more challenging measurements, such as roof heights or diagonal spans, the Pythagorean mode allows users to measure safely from the ground, avoiding ladders and minimizing risk. Durability and reliability are built into the tool's design. A rust-proof, nylon-coated blade and shock-resistant ABS housing ensure the tape withstands dust, knocks, and scratches, making it a dependable companion for years of use. Extended battery life supports up to 5,000 measurements, and the universal USB-C charging port allows for convenient recharging on-site or via a power bank, ensuring continuous operation during long workdays. The Elikliv LTM-01 is not just a measuring device, it's a complete solution. Compact, ready to use, and featuring a belt clip for easy access, it simplifies every step from measuring to calculating. Whether planning home layouts or executing professional projects, this digital laser tape measure empowers users to achieve accurate, professional-grade results with ease, streamlining workflows and enhancing productivity. This tool brings precision, efficiency, and durability together, making the Elikliv LTM-01 a valuable asset for anyone needing reliable measurements on the job site or at home. And finally, at number 1, we have the Fanttik A10 Pro Digital Laser Tape Measure. The Fanttik A10 Pro Digital Laser Tape Measure is a versatile 2-in-1 measuring tool designed for both professional and DIY use. Combining a 9.8-foot tape measure with a 165-foot laser distance measurer, it seamlessly adapts to indoor and outdoor tasks. Users can switch between traditional tape and laser modes depending on the project, providing flexibility and efficiency for a wide range of measuring needs. Equipped with a 1.47-inch HD IPS color display, the A10 Pro shows tape and laser measurements simultaneously, maintaining clarity even in bright sunlight. This feature eliminates the strain of reading low-brightness screens and ensures that data is easily visible, improving workflow and accuracy. The device's high-precision technology supports laser distance accuracy of plus or minus 1/8 inch, digital tape accuracy of plus or minus 1/16 inch, and dual-axis electronic angle measurement accuracy of plus 1 degree, making it suitable for tasks that demand meticulous attention to detail. The A10 Pro also supports 6 measurement units, 3 modes, and 3 reference points, allowing for versatile operation in complex spaces, such as corners, ceilings, and high-altitude areas. Its tripod compatibility adds stability for precise projection and positioning in demanding scenarios. Additional features include a hidden Type-C charging port and a battery capable of over 5,000 uses per charge, ensuring reliable performance throughout long work sessions. Users can store up to 30 measurements within the device for quick reference, streamlining repetitive tasks and reducing downtime. With its combination of digital tape, laser measurement, angle detection, and smart display, the Fanttik A10 Pro brings accuracy, convenience, and modern technology together in a single tool. It is designed to meet the needs of professionals and enthusiasts who require precise, reliable, and efficient measurement solutions in any environment. Precision matters when every inch counts. If you want any of these smart measuring tools, check the price link in the description. And don't forget to like and subscribe to Dudes Tech for more cool tools, gadgets, and tech reviews.